What's up, my gadget loving legends? Get ready for an insane ride, cause today we're diving into a world of 10 crazy gadgets that will literally blow your mind. We're talking the best of the best, the coolest of the cool, and the most game changing tech that will turn your everyday life into a futuristic dream. Welcome to Gadgets Ranks. First up, let's kick things off with something you never knew you needed: the StarWork electrical scratcher massager. This bad boy isn't just your average massager, it's an electric one with interchangeable scratcher heads that will massage and scratch all the right places, giving you the ultimate relaxation after a long day. But wait, it gets crazier. You can use it on your neck, back, and even your scalp. Talk about luxury for the tired. Next, we've got something for all you smokers and candle lovers. Meet the S-Life USB rechargeable lighter, the only lighter that'll never fail you when you need it the most. No butane, no mess, just a clean, rechargeable lighter that lasts forever. Plus, you get a windproof design so it works even in hurricane-level winds. Perfect for lighting candles, stoves, or whatever else you need to spark up that vibe. Who's ever heard of a USB lighter? Totally next gen. Now let's take it to the next level of efficiency with the Gadget multifunctional bathroom cleaner. Yes, you heard that right. It's a bathroom cleaner that scrubs, washes, and dries everything you touch. We're talking toilet seats, tubs, sinks. This gadget does it all. The rotating head and powerful cleaning mechanism will make you feel like a cleaning warrior. Guys, it doesn't just clean, it saves time. You'll never spend another minute scrubbing those nasty corners again. This thing is built for the future of cleaning. Hold up. Wait a minute. If you're loving these gadgets so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech like this. And hey, if you have a favorite gadget from today's list, drop a comment below and let me know which one is your must-have. You don't want to miss the rest of this insane list, trust me. It's gonna get even crazier. Okay, get ready for a vlogger's dream. If you're a content creator, you need the new Drew Auto Face Tracking Gimbal Tripod. This thing tracks your face like an elite-level spy gadget and follows you around wherever you go. It's like your own personal cameraman, but without the awkward request to press the button. The coolest part, no app, no Bluetooth. Just a gesture and boom, you're recording. Just imagine the look on your friends' faces when you hit a button with your hand gesture and boom, instant recording. Hold on to your hats, folks, because next up is the SwapCard flexible smartphone holder. You can twist and bend this thing into any shape to fit your perfect video angle. It's like a tripod but way cooler. You can attach it to any surface and watch as it flexes to your whims. You need this if you're vlogging from crazy places, like hanging upside down on a roller coaster or while you're scaling Mount Everest. Okay, maybe not the mountain part, but you get it. Okay guys, hold up, we're about to go hardcore. Let's talk about Kohler's brass flange toilet part. Yes, I said toilet part, and no, it's not boring. This bad boy ensures your toilet is firmly in place with a solid brass flange that is literally unmovable. It's so strong you'll never need to worry about a wobbly toilet again. And believe me, that's a game changer in your bathroom experience. And if you thought that was wild, we're not stopping here. And if you thought that was wild, we're not stopping here. Number 7 on our list is the Mini Smart Projector. You can project a giant screen anywhere on the wall, ceiling, or even your backyard. You're watching movies like a boss, even in the most random places. And last but not least, we've got the Bold Health Cooling Circles, your new BFF for those stressful days. These little miracle workers cool and soothe your skin in seconds. Just stick them on, feel the chill, and say goodbye to puffiness and stress. Who needs spa days when you've got these? Guys, that's it for today. All these gadgets are going to change your life. If you want to level up your tech game, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which gadget you're buying first. Stay techy, stay crazy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.